Most tire shops stay busy but still struggle to grow. Not because there's no work, but because the work is unpredictable. One day you're overwhelmed, the next you're waiting around. That cycle is exactly what's holding your garage back. In this episode, you'll understand why relying only on walk-ins keeps your business stuck and how to turn that into consistent, predictable income that actually grows your margins. Here's the truth. Walk-ins feel productive, but they don't build stability. If you're running a tire shop, garage, or MOT center, this directly affects your time, your stress, and your profits. Let's break it down. First, busy days versus dead days. This is where most people mess up. Walk-ins depend on things you can't control. Weather, breakdowns, competitors, even payday cycles. So one day, you're flat out, and the next day, nothing. The mistake? Treating busy days as success. The fix? Start tracking patterns and slowly replace random work with booked jobs. Now think about the type of customers walk-ins bring. Here's something no one talks about. Most walk-in customers are last-minute and price-driven. They call multiple shops, pick the cheapest, and disappear. They don't come back. They don't refer others. So yes, they fill your ramp today, but they don't build your future. Ask yourself how many of your walk-ins actually return. Next, predictable work changes everything. When you know what's coming in tomorrow or next week, you make better decisions. You order the right tires. You schedule staff properly. And most importantly, you stop discounting out of panic. This is where your margins improve. Not from doing more jobs, but from doing smarter, planned jobs. So how do you actually reduce dependence on walk-ins? Start simple. Save your customer tire sizes. This sounds basic, but it's powerful. Now you can follow up, remind, and pre-sell. Use WhatsApp for bookings. Make it easy. Customers prefer quick messages over calls. If booking is easy, more people commit. Send reminder texts. Most customers don't come back because they forget, not because they don't want to. And pre-book MOT tire work. If a car is coming in for MOT, that's an opportunity to plan ahead instead of waiting for a last-minute decision. Now here's a big shift: local accounts. This is where real stability comes from. Taxi drivers, delivery drivers, small businesses, care companies. These customers need regular tire work. They don't shop around every time. They value reliability. One good account can replace dozens of random walk-ins. Don't skip this part. This is how you smooth your workload and protect your income. Now, walk-ins aren't bad. They still matter, but they shouldn't be your only source of work. The strongest garages combine walk-ins with repeat customers, bookings, and local accounts. That mix gives you control. Let me ask you something. If you knew exactly how many cars were coming in tomorrow, how differently would you run your day? Here's what to take away. Walk-ins create activity, not stability. Predictable work creates control, better planning, and higher margins. Start small, save data, follow up, pre-book jobs, and build local relationships. At the end of the day, the goal isn't just to stay busy, it's to stay profitable and in control of your business. If you want more practical, real-world strategies like this, the kind you can actually apply, make sure you subscribe and stay connected. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.